Hi everyone, I'm Jit and welcome back to yet another episode of World's Greatest Scientists and Inventors. Today we'll be talking about the famous scientist Alexander Graham Bell. Alexander Graham Bell was a Scottish American inventor, scientist, businessman and a great teacher. He was the inventor of the telephone by which he created history in the field of communication. He was described as teacher of the deaf and started the well-known Bell Telephone Company. Alexander Graham Bell was born on March 3, 1847 in Edinburgh, Scotland to Professor Alexander Medieval Bell and Eliza Grace Simons. He had two siblings. He got the name Graham at the age of 10. Alexander wanted to have a middle name like the two brothers, so he became Alexander Graham Bell. He was born in a well-educated family. The young Alexander was taught by his grandfather, who was a speech teacher. His father was also a teacher and taught deaf children how to talk. His mother was deaf and a talented painter. She also played the piano. Alexander was homeschooled by his mother and later went to Edinburgh's Royal High School. After graduating, he attended the University of Edinburgh and the University College London. In 1864, Alexander got the position of a pupil teacher at the Westonhouse Academy, Moray. His first invention was creating a wheat husking machine at the age of 12. In 1870, his family settled in Canada after the death of his two brothers. 2 years later, Alexander started the School of Vocal Physiology and Mechanics of Speech in Boston. The younger students learned the manner of speech. Greatly influenced by his family, he started to work with deaf people. With his father, he developed visible speech. It was the study of how tongue, lips, throat are used to produce vocal sounds. In 1872, he became a professor at the Boston University School of Oratory. Along with his teaching job, Bell continued to work on his own research. He focused his research on his father's work of teaching deaf people to interact. This was the start of Bell's journey towards the invention of the telephone. He worked on the idea of transmitting human voice over wires and began working on how to transmit telephonic messages. He conducted experiments and attempted to send multiple telegraph signals over a single cable. The first time he speculated inventing the telephone was in 1874. He finally came up with the discovery to successfully send multiple messages over a single wire. Bell listened to the human voice over a wire, which led to the invention of telephone. He finally got the patent in 1876, which is considered as one of the most valuable patents in history. The first words that were spoken on the phone in the laboratory were, "Mr. Watson, come here, I want to see you." In 1877, Bell started the Bell Telephone Company. Apart from this, he invented many other things in the field of science. Bell made the first metal detector in the world. He also developed the audiometer, which was used to detect hearing problems. He even created a device to help find icebergs. In 1888, Bell was one of the founding members of the National Geographic. It later became one of the most famous magazines in the world. Bell worked for the deaf all his life. He developed many new techniques and helped teaching lip reading teaching. In 1890, he started that Alexander Graham Bell Association for the Deaf. At the end of 19th century, he became an interest in transport technology along with sound and recording. In 1907, he founded the Aerial Experiment Association and conducted outstanding work in the field of hydrofoils and aeronautics. He also created high-speed aircrafts and boats. Bell, with a few others, made many flying machines. The most famous one of them was the Silver Dart. It was the first machine that was flown in Canada. Bell created history with these inventions which changed the world. He was honored for those several times in his career. He was awarded the Volta Prize along with the cash prize in 1880 for the invention of telephone. In 1881, the government of France honored him with the Legion of Honor and then the Albert Medal in 1902. In 1914, he received AIE's Edison Medal for honorable achievement on the invention of telephone. He also received many honorary degrees from academic institutions. Bell married Mabel Hubbard in 1877. She was one of Alexander's deaf students and 10 years younger than him. The couple had 4 children. He passed away on August 2, 1922. On his burial day, as a tribute, all the telephone services in the United States were halted for a minute. I hope you guys enjoyed this second episode of World's Greatest Scientists and Inventors. Stay tuned for more episodes like this. Now it's question time.